This is a 2010 Nissan Titan. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.6-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Dan Wiebold Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5707 Eastgate Boulevard in Nampa.